Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I would like to show you how to install wireless display in your laptop or desktop. So let's begin our video. First of all, you just need to click on your Windows icon at this corner, and then you just need to select settings here. And right now you just need to select system and then scroll down, and you can find the option on here projecting to this PC. Select this option and then select optional features. Right now select add a feature, and right now you just need to scroll down, and at the end position you can find wireless display. Select it and select install. So after select install, you just need to wait couple of seconds for install this, and here you can see it's loading. Well done, here you can see wireless display already installed. That's it guys, I hope you can understand. Hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.